active for 2 years, from 2013 to
Roberto Marroquin of Dallas, a top prospect. The way he plans to do the same thing dito kay Mark Magsayo. Magsayo starting out well, ano? Tama-tama muna. Daan-daan muna, malaking kalaban, huwag magmadali, huwag bara-bara dahil yun. Gusto mo munang, tingnan mo muna kung ano ibubuga na yung katunggali.
kilala sa kanyang power mula sa kaliwat kanan to si Mark Magsayo. Undefeated, perfect record so far, 16-0.
Oy,
Just
boy!
first
4,
round.
5, 6, Está bien. Continuar.
Phenomenal start.
Pati si Diaz, si El General, napasaludo. Oh boy!
Mark
Magsayo
Magsayo.
is a tremendous.
Second knockdown dito sa round
3,
I did say that
4,
Diaz is a slow starter, but this is very
6,
slow.
7,
This is slow motion.
And what a pass.
And he even survived the round. Oh, he's out.